Hello viewers, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to access the service menu of a Bosch Home Professional heat pump dryer. Now my model is a WTY 88701AU. It's an Australian model. It has a self-cleaning condenser, and to be honest, I'm not a real fan of them. When it comes to cleaning, I'm a bit pedantic, and I'm pretty sure it won't do as thorough a job as I would. Okay, so I'm going to explain how to get into the menu, and then I'll demonstrate it. So first you turn on the machine and you wait for the default program to light up, and then we're going to turn the knob clockwise to the 9th function. In my case it's blankets. Then you press and hold the drying target and turn the knob clockwise one more position. So here we go. We press the button, hold it, and turn the knob one more, and we're in the service menu. Okay, you can see P1 motor fan. In this service menu, it actually shows you what each test does. I did a video on accessing the service menu of a Series 8 washing machine, and it has no indicator of what each test does. So this is quite useful. Now you can use the drying target up and down buttons to cycle through all the different tests. So now we are on P2, the compressor, and the one I want is P3, rinsing. And this will run the condenser rinse. And as you can see, the start button is blinking, which means it's not doing anything at the moment. Once you run the test, it will go solid, and once it blinks again, you know it's finished. Alright, so what you would do is fill your drawer with some warm water, and I also add a bit of vinegar to it. Alright, and then when you're ready, we're going to press the start button, and it will run for about a minute, pumping out water from the condenser, and then after a minute it will stop and you'll think that it's finished, but it hasn't. And then about 35 seconds later, you'll hear a clank and the water drops down to the condenser, and then it'll get pumped out and back to the drawer for about a minute, and then we'll be finished. And the start button will be blinking again like it is now. So let's go and we'll start it now. So you can see it is solid. So this will go on for about a minute. So I will pause it here and come back close to the minute. Alright, so it's still running. You can see the start button is solid. And hopefully you can hear the water being pumped around. And now it's stopped, and we're going to wait for about 30-35 seconds, and you'll hear a clank. And again, it's still on a solid light there. And we heard the big clank, and this will go on for about a minute now. And so I will pause it again. Okay, so it's getting close to the minute. There you go, it's finished. And we come here and we can see now that the start button is blinking, so we know it's finished. Just turn off the machine and it should just go back to its normal status. So I'll just show you. I'll turn it back on, and it's just back to normal. So now you can just turn it off and empty the drawer and you're done. Well, thank you for watching. I hope you found this useful. If you did, please hit the like button, and we'll see you on the next video.